Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by validating prerequisites: account status, DLC ownership, and region access. Do this now so you don't stall later. Once confirmed, secure the required resources like 500 coins or 3 keys, and make sure you have the recommended loadout and active buffs. Then fast travel to the Tundra waypoint and stand by the spawn marker. This primes the event trigger. You'll act quickly after the spawn, so ready your highest damage ability, and once at the waypoint, trigger the Tundra encounter immediately within the 2-minute activation window to align with spawn cycles. During the fight, you use burst combos and area control abilities to handle waves and quickly finish elites. This increases drop odds. Make sure to rotate mechanics correctly. Dodge wind traps and break ice barriers in sequence to prevent resets. If you manage adds efficiently and maintain uptime on elites, your drop rate improves significantly over repeated runs. After the boss falls, loot the focal chest immediately and check both your inventory and stash slots to ensure the item didn't go to overflow. If you don't receive the Azure Attack Tundra on the first try, repeat the loop. RNG evens out with multiple runs, and group runs often raise your effective drop rate. If the encounter bugs or rewards don't appear, reset the instance, clear cache, and verify game files, then re-enter. That usually clears stuck rewards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.